Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting an incredible deal for Purple Photo. Are you stuck with photo editing? There are too many images to edit, but there's not enough time to do it. You don't need an expensive photo editor tool to accomplish those images. You just need Purple Photo. Produce rich, gorgeous, and elegant posts with only a few clicks. Get lifetime deal for Purple Photo for only $49. Purple Photo software aids in the creation of rich social media content. To increase interaction and strengthen your social media presence, create rich content with real-time previews and add your distinctive touch with Purple Photo. Also, because the editing is done in the browser, your privacy is 100% assured. Purple Photo solves difficulties by requiring a significant amount of time and effort to modify or produce a photo from text and issues like your photograph being copied without your permission. Purple Photo provides features such as using real-time previews, creating seamless images from text or existing images. It also offers amazing gradients and great unsplash photos as you change the background. Add a signature to your social media profiles to avoid photo grabbing. It's far too short a life to waste time sharing unappealing posts. Improve online presence without spending significant amounts of money. Use Purple Photo. Consistent posts can get more traffic and followers than random posts. With Purple Photo, get ideas on your favorite topics. Customize it and see a real-time preview. Copy the link to your clipboard and share it on social media. Get our lifetime deal today for only $49 and get lifetime access to Purple Photo. Don't miss out on this great deal. The ultimate tool for creating rich and stunning social media photographs. For more details about Purple Photo, check out the link below and check lifetime deal today at an affordable price. Take a look at current software lifetime deals, available on the right side of your screen. Find a software solution that fits you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to get the latest software deals and much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.